So this is Sonia here from Think Higher Consultants. Today we are doing this video session with collaboration of Smiling Buddies in Australia. So we do have Mr. Anil Khwaja with us, who himself is a registered migration agent. Thank you so much, Mr. Anil, for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
No worries. So our first question that we have got from our the Smiling Buddies, that is, मेरे husband यहाँ स्टूडेंट वीज़ा पे आए थे 2001 में. उस वक्त मेरे देवर की डेट ऑफ बर्थ जो लिखी थी वो डिफरेंट थी, और अब मेरे देवर यहाँ आना चाहते हैं विद स्किल इंडिपेंडेंट वीज़ा पे विद हिज वाइफ एंड चाइल्ड, बट उसके बाकी पेपर्स में डेट ऑफ बर्थ डिफरेंट है. अब समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करें, काफ़ी बड़ा मसला भी हो सकता है खुदा न खास्ता. तो अब आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Alright, so see, this is not a very big issue. What you just need to is to inform department about this incorrect information you given at the first application your husband has made. So एक form है 1023, you just need to fill that form and submit to the Department of Immigration. They will fix that up. So not a big issue. We have done thousands of similar cases where they have made big blunders, like big incorrect information, and we have fixed that.
Yeah.
So pretty easy, 1023 form.
Yeah, great. So अब जो है वो 1023 फॉर्म आप फिल कर सकते हैं, and if you require any of our help you can always contact us. I'll be giving you the contact details at the end of the video. Okay, so the next question is, there is a resume that has been attached here, but I can't see a proper resume, so I would suggest सादिया प्लीज़ जो है वो आप इस क्लाइंट से सॉरी इस कैंडिडेट से जो है वो आप मुझे लेकर दे दीजिएगा फुल रेज्यूमे, बट आई कैन जस्ट रीड आउट द क्वेरी. So Assalamu alaikum, walaikum assalam. My cousin has mechanical engineering degree from UK. CV is attached. How can I bring him over here from Kashmir? So उन्होंने basically जो है वो कश्मीर UK से जो है वो mechanical engineering पढ़ी हुई है, लेकिन अब वो कश्मीर में रह रहे हैं I reckon, and then she needs to bring him over here. So
Alright. So see, two options हैं. पहले हमें obviously timeline का इतना पता नहीं है, so we need to see the timeline that when exactly he has done the bachelor's degree from UK. If he has done in last 2 years, he can apply for 476 as well, because now Pakistan and UK was already in the Washington Accord. Pakistan has also got in the Washington Accord as well. So last 2 years अगर उन्होंने engineering degree किया है तो they can apply for 476. The only thing we need to see that his university or the college where he has studied must be in the Washington Accord accredited list.
yeah.
So that can be done. Otherwise, अगर उन्होंने बहुत साल पहले किया है and he has experience as a mechanical engineer,
Yeah.
so there is a very good opportunity for 491 Northern Territory.
Yeah.
He just need to apply for IELTS first or PT, get at least 6 each. He needs minimum 55 points and then he can apply for 491 Northern Territory. So iska further process we can obviously discuss. If he wants to discuss, he can email us or message us. Otherwise, if you require any further, then feel free to contact Sonia or Sadia. Yeah.
Sure. So the next one is, my subject is not having PR, so that person is not getting PR very easily, so now she wants to know about that. The situation is, and I can't change my course from masters to any diploma or bachelor's. In that case, what should I do? I can't even go for any trade course due to my weak financial condition. What step should I take now?
Alright, so see couple of things. Obviously, if you're doing masters, तो obviously आपके financial strong होंगे तभी आप masters में गए. हो सकता है unfortunately कुछ वजूहात के बिना पे you are not able to continue the masters. Couple of options. You can do a concurrent studies, but again, obviously it comes to trade, so masters के साथ आप concurrent कर सकते हैं. If you are financially not well, then I would suggest कि आप diploma based course लें, लेकिन then you apply for a new visa. Because you can apply for a downgrade visa with a strong statement of purpose. As said earlier, we have done a couple of cases and they have been successful. So, but obviously we need a strong statement of purpose. That is also called a GD statement.
Okay. तो कितने % चांसेस होते हैं अनिल, मतलब ये चीज़ वाकई इतनी इजीली हो जाती है? Because nowadays students are really scared.
Yeah, I totally understand that part, क्योंकि obviously visa फिर डालना बहुत scary हो जाता है. पर ये we have used this method for lots of students because we know कि जो कोई middle class family से है या they have now struggling with finance or they're financially broken, so they can ask money from their parents overseas. So what they do, they obviously downgrade it and then probably they can apply for new visa.
New visa.
Chances are good. As I said, you need to have a strong GT statement. And you have obviously whatever the previous visa conditions थी वो आपने उसे maintain रखा है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप मास्टर्स में और आपने 1.5 साल कुछ ना पढ़ाओ या 1 साल ना पढ़ाओ. So obviously immigration will see your previous visa history as well. If you have done well, then I don't think so there would be any issues. Thirdly ये हो सकता है कि मास्टर्स फिनिश करें उसके बाद TR अप्लाई करें और डिप्लोमा कोई भी रीजनल एरिया से कर लें like NT, Tasmania and have a PR. But that's another option rather than you apply for new visa and challenge yourself. It's better to finish study, get 2 years of TR and then apply for the diploma course, any diploma course, and then leads to the PR.
Well, that makes sense. That makes sense to me. Okay, so hope that answers your question. Okay, so next one is post as anonymous. What are the pathways or chances to get PR or 491 visa for someone who has done masters 3 years ago from Australia in a field which is not in the sole list? So got TR but was not eligible for PR, so applied for diploma in enrolled nurse, that is EN that she said, which will be completing in May this year, inshallah. Anyone has gone through similar circumstances? Any hope for 491 or 189?
Alright, so EN मैं audience को बताता चलूँ इसका मतलब enrolled nurse. So if you have done a diploma in nursing, you can be a enrolled nurse.
Yes.
Enrolled nurse जो है अभी only New South Wales state sponsorship available है. So if you're an enrolled nurse, you have got your APRA registration, you have applied for NMAC, got the skill assessment done, then you can apply for 190 New South Wales. At the moment, they have an additional requirement to stay there for 1 year, but obviously or work there for 1 year. So technically, you can go down there, stay there, because obviously, if you're an enrolled nurse, it's easier to get the jobs. अगर आप limited working hours पे हैं तो obviously you need to at least have 400 to 500 hours of work experience before you apply for APRA. So these are the requirements you need to meet. But I don't think so there would be any issues. It's a good field to go for. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. So thank you so much. Okay, so next हमारा जो है वो है question asking on someone's behalf. So one of my friends is filing for her citizenship. She is separated, not yet divorced, and want to provide her maiden name instead of married name. So what does she need to provide? Okay, so what does she need to provide so her name gets updated on her citizenship file to her maiden name? Please see your comments.
Alright, so see, pretty simple. What you need to do is if you're in Victoria, we have birth, death and marriages registrar. You just need to go down there. Get the name change certificate. Mostly lots of people do it because in Pakistan you have father's name and you have never changed it to husband's name. So we normally do like this, and then there's that certificate you can submit to Department of Immigration. Once they open a profile, obviously they will change everything as per the certificate you have provided. And at the time of interview, you can also bring that original certificate to them, and they will change accordingly. And then later on, it goes with the Australian passport if you're applying for.
Yes, yes, of course. So that's it for today. So we got 5 queries, and those were very interesting. I would say maybe जो और दूसरे लोग जो हमारी इस वीडियो को सुन रहे हैं, I hope कि ये वीडियो और ये queries जो है वो आप लोगों के लिए भी काम आए. Thank you so much, Sadia, especially for bringing these queries to us, and we are even looking forward to more queries as soon as possible, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. So whoever wants to contact us for their own queries, or if you guys want to just discuss your case in personal, we do take appointments, and whoever will come to us through this platform, through Smiling Buddies, we will be giving you the first consultation for free, that is worth for $110. So you guys just need to use the code that is SMILE 2020, and then we will be giving you this free consultation through our registered migration agent. And if you guys want to come and visit us, our address is Suite 4.13, that is 365 Little Collins Street, Melbourne. That is just 5 minutes walk from Flinders Street station. And also our phone number is 0435 600 610. I repeat, 0435 600 610. So please do contact us and make up your appointments with us, and then we'll serve you as much as we can. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.